Soup lovers, pay attention. This one is for you. We got Instant Pot Pasta Fagioli and it is delicious. Let's start with cutting 2 cups of peppers. You want 2 different color peppers. Get out your chopper. There's a lot of veggies in this one. Now let's cut up 1 cup of celery and 2 cups of carrots. Get it into your Instant Pot on saute. Saute some garlic and some onions and then put in 1 pound of ground beef. Get that sauteed. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of tomato sauce, 3 cups of beef broth. Now let's get all of those veggies added in. Let's add in a can of kidney beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup of ditalini pasta, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Get it covered up. Let's pressure cook it for 5 minutes. Do a quick release. Give it a stir, and you are ready to have a hearty, delicious, hot soup for the winter.